Hi all, welcome to my channel English with Lata. Today we shall learn preposition. What is preposition? Pre and position. As the word says, position of one noun to the other noun. Noun also can be pronoun. So the definition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun which shows the relationships between one noun or a pronoun to the other noun or a pronoun. There's an example here. The book is on the table or in the bag, in the shelf, above the table. So the position of this book to the table is brought in. Okay, is it on, in, into, above is what we have to analyze, okay, to show the position of one noun to the other noun. Another example is the shop is across the street. So the position of this shop to the street, okay, it is across. So there are many prepositional words that we should know, starting from simple preposition words as in, of, with, in, etc. Compound preposition as in without, within, into, below, behind, etc. Double prepositions are outside of, double, see, two prepositions. Here compound is two words coming together. Outside of, out of, from, behind, from, beneath. Okay, get it from beneath the place. Participle prepositions are notwithstanding, concerning, pending. Phrase prepositions, phrase, I will explain today what is phrase. Phrase are group of words, okay, which usually start with a prepositional words, as in by means of, on account of, with regard to, on behalf of. Okay, so these are some of the phrasal preposition or prepositional phrase. This is easy to follow. Okay, we use a lot of prepositions in our sentences. Yes, only thing is that you should know which preposition to use where and when. As in, if you say, we are playing on the ground or in the ground. Okay, so we have this confusion as to where we are playing, on the ground or in the ground. So here, these places are in time or on time. Okay, so sometimes we are confused with these words, but both are correct. Okay, it varies sometimes, but it is both usages are correct. Let us learn some more prepositions or how to use these words in our sentences. Yeah, let us go through few examples here to make preposition little understandable. There are three positions that I have given as to how some of these prepositional words are used. Point. Point is where I am standing from here or to a particular place. Okay, so if you are traveling from one point to other, okay, so you use I am at the bus stop. Okay, go to the bus stop. From the bus stop, you take deviation or you take right, okay, from the shop. Okay, so these are some of the examples that is given here. If you are going to a particular place, then it is traveling, you use to. At, you are at a particular place, so you use at. You are moving away from a particular place, then it is from there. Okay, move away actually. And if it is further away, see, as I am using further away or away from that particular place, okay, is what some of the how we use preposition in some of our sentences. If it is on a surface, as in I said, the book is on the table, or inside. Inside is not surface, it's not on the line. So line and surface is different from area or volume. So we have to be very careful when you say in and on. Okay, so to, again it is same. Okay, it is line of surface. Throw the ball to that point. Okay, you can say to the point or to the basket. Okay, or at the mark given, or not necessarily it should be sports activities, it could be things. Okay, so keep the things, keep that particular thing at that particular place, or pass it on to this particular person or place. Okay, and if you're moving it away from there, then off. Okay, take off that thing from there is what we use. So if it moved off little far away, so when you know few prepositional words, you can use that in different forms to convey different informations, messages, which makes communication rich. Okay, so the last example that I've brought in here is area and volume. In the sense, this is the area into the box or into the space, okay, into the house or into the vessel. Okay, so put into. Okay, so when we give a lot of instructions, prepositions becomes very important. Otherwise also prepositions are very important because it is actually connecting two nouns, and we use lot of nouns in our speech, and if you can use and choose the right prepositions, it will convey the meaning much better. Okay, so in is, which is already in, I'm inside this room. Inside, in, both are same, but sometimes we use in, sometimes we use inside, so that you should know where to use just in and where to use inside. Out is outside, I want to go out. Okay, or I want to get off from the auto. See, get off from the auto is completely different from get off from this place, get out of this place. So it can convey different feelings and meanings as you use these prepositions. You have to be very careful, but it's not difficult. You just have to keep open, or your ears, open your ears and listen to words, and it is not difficult to learn. Thank you. If you have liked the channel, please subscribe.